Hi guys, and welcome back to another sound comparison. Last time I've made a sound check for this speaker. It's the Nomyn AI speaker. It's a smart speaker, and I told you I'll make a full review on it, but there isn't any reason to do it because the only use I do for this speaker is use it as a regular Bluetooth speaker. This speaker doesn't have a battery. It's only operated by AC power, and it doesn't have aux in, it doesn't have a TF card in. I just use it to hear music through Bluetooth, and it does it very well. So the main question I get to asked in the past few weeks: how it performs, how good is it, how it compares to the Xiaomi old network speaker. I think this is a new model, so comparison is not relevant in this case, but I do want to compare it to another speaker. This is the JBL Flip 4. I think this is the standard of this price range. This speaker costs a little more than the Xiaomi. The Xiaomi cost me $80, and this one cost $100. Maybe now on Black Friday it will be $90, or I don't know, maybe less. But I think it's a right contender to the Xiaomi speaker. So without further ado, let's start the comparison. Put your headphones. I'll be using a binaural microphone and a professional sound recorder, so you can have the best realistic experience you can. So let's start.
So we start with our regular song. First the Xiaomi. Let's start. Okay, this was the Xiaomi. Let's connect to the JBL and see how it performs in our regular song. So this was the JBL. Let's try another song. We are connected to the Xiaomi AI speaker, and let's try a different song. Okay, and let's try the JBL.
蓝牙已断开。
JBL is connected. Let's go. Okay, so this was the JBL. You heard the two speakers. Let's sum it up.
So guys, let's sum it up. Both speakers are very good. The JBL has its advantages. It's portable. It's got a great battery life, which the Xiaomi doesn't have a battery at all. It got an aux in, and it's one of the best speaker you can buy in this price range, which delivers complete package. But when we are checking only sound, I personally love the Xiaomi. It's got a nice power. It's have a more smooth bass and treble, and you can hear mid range as well. Sound distribution is great. You can hear it in every corner of the room, and it sounds almost equally in every direction. So sound wise, I do prefer this speaker. This JBL have great sound, but it's more compressed, it's more aggressive, and the bass here is smoother. The mids are less metallic, they are more natural. I know some of you will say this is an unfair comparison, but in the reality test, I prefer to hear the Xiaomi indoor, and for outside, this is my one of my favorite speakers when I need power outdoor in a pretty compact design. So this was the comparison test of this speaker. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see another videos like this one, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye for now, have fun.